Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about online based trading apps and how to you income money easily. And these apps, you can multiple apps, you can use social media apps, you can earning, you use live you can social media living, and you think anything living, and social media live apps also payment to you. More of multi apps of you have to know only invest without you can earning apps. Today we'll discuss about how to invest, and some idea give you these online living apps and more type of apps in the next video will coming. Okay, best online trading apps, invest safely, invest for future. Okay, here are number one, up stocks, up stocks. This is invest website. You can see this is Android and iOS, so Apple apps is available is here. This is mainly a trading apps. You can easily trade here. Just create an account and set up your Visa card, Mastercard, and bank account. Then you can easily first you can add your mobile number is here. You can type your mobile number is here. Then you can create your account. Then you can paste your OTP code, this number, but right now I am not going to this create account, this website. You just check out you. Okay, okay. We not right now going to throw here is the pin code, or we need to right now not account. You have to easily just create a account is here. Okay, we check out this number two, zero zero dha kit, this apps and website. This is same investor website. You can see here this here are some profit showable is here. I think this is a Indian based company, but you can invest in the worldwide. There is a more of company product pricing, referral program, care zero the is press and media zero the care. I think this is really a good site for you, because there is a multiple service provider. You can always look this multiple service provider company, because multiple service provider company, this is not a fraud, or this is not sometime small time this company is closed. Is this is the benefit you can when you at a multiple company, that's your future is good for you, like insurance. Okay, I think everyone we need to enter insurance, because insurance is always help you for your life. Just sign up, click this button, and you can easily sign up here and create a account. Okay, here is your number at same system, then OTP code coming, and you creating a account, and the pricing is also here. Now we check this angel one, angel is angel girl, angel queen. Okay, this is the price. Free quick delivery, interday, and food rate free direct FM. More of price here. You can just check out this here. We check out this Angel One. Okay, this is Angel. We use online trading the share market. You can see here this is online investment platform. Buy multiple stock at in 3 click. You can, small trick. You can buy here your product. This another big company, and you can buy your product easily. This is really good, and this company is connected. This angel1.com dot in. Sorry, you can see here angel1.in. This is the company address. And this company's platform Angel One app, Angel One Trade, and Genual Speed Pro, top picks, more of a service provider. I think this is good. You can see this is multiple service company provider only. All time is top 10 because here is always people trusted, and this company is service provider is good. That's why it's always multiple company is number one. Okay, and keyword center, and you can see just the menu bar. This is the awesome feature, and multiple service provide this company. Okay, let's check out the momo.com. This is .com. Trade like a pro with Momo. This is the sidebar, download apps, and login, and social media site, and this is the upload button, up button. Okay, and this is the Momo news, learn pricing. Free stock is available here, and you can download. In the US, security product and service in the Momo offered by a photo in see all fees for the securities trading display in the website, and changed by a few inch. Okay, how to create open account? Just click here open account, and you also Gmail login here. Just click here, and your social site Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple ID, WeChat, everything, or you can sign up this here email. You have already account, just paste this here. Okay, I think this is easily, and this is the contact number, customer care number, email address also here, and stock is here. Open found your account, get a free F5 stock. Okay, this is a time limited, and then get a bonus, welcome bonus. How to can I get a free stock? Open a brokerage account, a deposit and promotion. This is the deposit, total withdrawal. Okay, okay guys, thank you so much, and watching my video, and if you have enough money, you just invest here for your future life is settle. Okay guys.